Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best iron that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Rowenta DW9280 Digital Display Steam Iron. This iron is heavier than other models we tested. If you use an iron regularly on a variety of material types, it's important to find one that has a range of heat settings, effective steam capabilities for extra tricky crinkles, and more. We loved the versatility of the Rowenta Digital Display Steam Iron, which removed wrinkles from linen, cotton, and satin in just a couple of passes. Our testers found this iron performed best on cotton, removing deep creases with and without steam in just one pass. However, it also works great on linen and satin. The iron doesn't have specific heat settings for satin, so we used the nylon setting, removing wrinkles in a couple of swipes. The iron is super intuitive to use, with a ready light, an easy-to-read water fill line, and a digital display that shows what fabric setting you're on. The stainless steel sole plate has over 400 steam holes, allowing the steam to smooth creases without the iron sticking. Its motion sensing detector turns on the steam setting as you move the iron back and forth, then shuts it off once you place the iron upright again so that you don't waste water or have to fiddle with the settings in between passes. We found the Rowenta iron's angular tip to be extremely helpful in removing wrinkles in clothing, since you can easily target sleeves, collars, and folds in the fabric without creating creases in the process. Its added safety features like auto shutoff and an anti-drip system keep you from accidentally leaving the iron on all day or getting water droplets on laundry when moving the iron. This iron weighs nearly 4 pounds, which is slightly heavier than many of the other models we tested, and its cord is a little short. While we found these to be minor inconveniences compared with all of the iron's benefits, someone who has a long reach from their ironing board to the nearest outlet may be annoyed by the clunkiness. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Black+Decker ICR2020 Light and Easy Compact Steam Iron. There's no way to tell when this iron has reached the desired temperature. If you want an iron that efficiently rids your clothes of wrinkles without having to splurge on an expensive appliance, this option from Black+Decker is a great choice. Though it has many of the same features as the pricier irons we tested, the Light and Easy iron is a lot less expensive while still acting as a time-saving solution to wrinkly fabric. When testing, our experts found that the Light and Easy iron worked best on satin and cotton, removing wrinkles in just one pass. Deeper creases took a few tries to remove, though the process was still relatively effortless. Even on linen, our testers found that the iron could get rid of wrinkles easily, though deep creases were still slightly visible. You'll be able to change the temperature settings using a dial on the iron's handle, which corresponds to a chart printed below the handle. This allows you to adjust the temperature according to the material you're working with, making it easy to iron a whole load of laundry at once. We also loved how large this steam iron's water tank is, meaning you don't have to add more water during a long ironing session. The steam feature automatically adjusts the amount of steam it produces based on the setting you select, allowing for the right combination of heat and moisture. Plus, its automatic shutoff feature, which turns off the machine 8 minutes after use when upright and after 30 seconds when face down or on its side, provides added peace of mind. Given its low price point, we weren't surprised to find that the Light and Easy iron feels a bit cheap compared to other models. There's no way to tell if the iron has reached its desired temperature, which we found frustrating, and deciphering some of the symbols on the iron was a challenge for our testers. At number 3, we have the Rowenta Compact Steam Station. There's no indicator to tell you when the iron has reached the desired temperature. If doing the laundry frequently includes ironing wrinkles out of clothing, tablecloths, or other fabrics, the Rowenta Perfect Pro Iron is a great investment. While it's more expensive than other models, we found it to be exceptionally capable of cutting through deep wrinkles on multiple fabric types. The most notable feature on the Perfect Pro iron is its extra-large water tank, which doubles as a docking station when you're not using the iron. If you tend to spend a large chunk of time ironing, the 37-ounce water tank allows you to keep working longer, up to 90 minutes, without having to stop and refill. Plus, the separate tank keeps the iron itself quite lightweight and easy to use while offering powerful steam capabilities. During testing, our experts found that this steam iron was quite versatile. It performed well on linen, cotton, and satin napkins with similar effectiveness. While it took a few passes across each fabric to flatten the wrinkles, we found it to be a pretty quick and easy job. Similar to other Rowenta irons, the Perfect Pro has over 400 holes across the face of the sole plate, allowing for even steam distribution and even more precision when removing wrinkles. The iron automatically adjusts how much steam it outputs based on the temperature and fabric setting you've selected, better protecting the fabric from damage. We also liked this iron's extra long cord, 11.5 feet, which makes it easy to steam curtains. When testing the Perfect Pro, our experts were slightly overwhelmed by the number of features this iron offers. In order to fully understand its capabilities and get the most out of the iron, you'll have to watch tutorials online, since the directions don't offer much insight into how to use the product. For all its high-tech features, such as manual steam controls, extra powerful steam distribution, and a long-lasting steel sole plate, our testers were disappointed to find that this iron doesn't have a ready light indicator. There's no way to tell when the iron has reached the right temperature and is ready for use. At number 2, we have the Black+Decker ICR2020. When dry ironing with this model, we found it took a few tries to get rid of wrinkles. For fabric that's particularly wrinkled, the best way to target unwanted creases is to add heat and moisture, which softens the wrinkles and helps reverse the process that created them in the first place. The Black+Decker Vitessa steam iron is exceptional at just that. Our testers found this iron to be particularly powerful at flattening creases on multiple types of fabric. While many other irons we tested took at least a few swipes to get rid of deep creases, we found that this Black+Decker option made wrinkles disappear from cotton and linen in a single pass across the material when using the steam setting. The vertical steam button is clearly marked at the top of the handle, making it easy to remove wrinkles from clothing, curtains, and more without taking them off the hanger or even touching the fabric. You also have the option to use the misting feature on this iron, which distributes a quick puff of water droplets to the fabric for tackling set-in wrinkles. The Black+Decker steam iron also stood out to our testers because of its other perks, like the retractable power cord for easy storage, the anti-drip feature that eliminates water leaking out of the sole plate, and the automatic shutoff for added peace of mind. Though our experts loved the steam settings on this iron, the dry iron settings weren't anything special. It took a few attempts to get rid of wrinkles on cotton, satin, and linen fabrics alike, but the process was still relatively quick and easy. If you prefer to use the dry setting to iron your clothes, this one certainly does the trick, but other irons we tested yielded better results. And finally at number 1, we have the BEAUTURAL 1800 watt steam iron. Testers found that the steam setting doesn't remove wrinkles on cotton fabric. This easy-to-use iron takes the guesswork out of selecting a temperature when you're ironing on different fabrics. Its digital display at the top of the handle clearly shows what fabric setting you're on as well as the steam level and mode number. These preset modes align with the general fabric heat recommendations, ensuring that you don't accidentally ruin your clothes while ironing. Unlike many of the models we tested, it's super easy to tell when the BEAUTURAL iron is on and has reached the proper temperature. The LCD display tells you what fabric setting and steam level you're using, and the screen momentarily turns red once you've turned the iron off to provide reassurance that it's powering down. Our testers found that the BEAUTURAL iron is extremely effective when dry ironing. It removed wrinkles from cotton fabric in just one swipe, and it only required 1 or 2 more passes on linen and satin. When we turned on the steam setting, our testers were able to lift wrinkles out of linen in one pass, but the steam was pretty ineffective on cotton. If you plan to iron cotton with this appliance, you'll want to turn off the steam. We also liked the ergonomic handle grips, which made this BEAUTURAL iron extra comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver across the ironing board. The ceramic sole plate is designed to resist scratches, and its double-layer design helps to ensure the entire plate heats evenly and doesn't burn delicate clothing. Plus, the auto shut-off feature protects you if you forget to turn off the iron once you're done working. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.